5 ways to come up with fresh and unique ideas. 1. Observe and reflect on the world around you. One of the simplest and most effective ways to come up with new ideas is to simply pay attention to the world around you. Take time to observe your surroundings, people, and situations, and reflect on what you see. Consider what is happening, what is working well, and what could be improved. This observation can lead to new ideas and insights that can be developed into fresh and unique concepts. For example, a person observing the long lines at a busy coffee shop might consider how technology could be used to streamline the ordering and payment process, leading to the creation of a mobile app for ordering ahead. 2. Ask questions and challenge assumptions. Another way to generate new ideas is to ask questions and challenge assumptions. This approach involves looking at a problem or situation from different angles and considering alternative solutions. For example, instead of accepting the conventional wisdom that long commutes are just a fact of life, you could ask, what if we could reduce commuting times? This question could lead to a new idea for a high-speed rail system or a car-sharing program. 3. Collaborate and brainstorm with others. Working with others can also be a great way to come up with fresh and unique ideas. Collaboration can bring together a variety of perspectives, experiences, and skill sets that can spark new and innovative ideas. Brainstorming sessions can also be an effective tool for generating new ideas, as they encourage open discussion, rapid ideation, and the building of upon each other's ideas. For example, a team of engineers and designers might come together to brainstorm new ways to improve the design of a particular product, leading to new and innovative solutions that would not have been possible working alone. 4. Draw inspiration from other fields and disciplines. To generate truly unique and innovative ideas, it can be helpful to look outside of your own field or discipline. By exploring new concepts and ideas from other areas, you can find new ways to apply these ideas to your own work. This could involve exploring new technologies, attending conferences or workshops in unrelated fields, or simply reading books and articles from other domains. For example, a designer interested in creating new forms of sustainable energy might draw inspiration from the fields of biology and chemistry to develop a new type of solar cell. 5. Experiment and take risks. Finally, coming up with fresh and unique ideas often requires taking risks and experimenting with new approaches. This might mean trying new techniques or technologies, working with unusual materials, or pursuing a new direction that others have not considered. This experimentation can lead to unexpected results and breakthroughs that can be developed into new and innovative solutions. For example, a software developer might experiment with using virtual reality technology to create a new type of training program, leading to a new approach to employee development that is both engaging and effective. In conclusion, coming up with fresh and unique ideas requires a combination of observation, reflection, collaboration, exploration, and experimentation. By taking a multidisciplinary approach and being open to new perspectives and possibilities, you can generate new and innovative solutions to the challenges you face.